Warren Buffett is a name known around the world. He is one of the most successful investors in history. People call him the Oracle of Omaha because of his incredible business skills. He is famous for his wisdom and his ability to pick companies that will be profitable. Buffett's story is not just about making money, it's about making smart choices. It's about learning and growing. Warren Buffett shows us that patience and careful thinking can lead to amazing results. His journey is an inspiration to everyone interested in finance. He teaches us valuable lessons about investing, business, and life. Buffett's story is a reminder that success comes from hard work and dedication. Warren Buffett was born in Omaha, Nebraska in 1930. Even as a young boy, he was fascinated by numbers and business. He spent hours reading books about finance and investment. He loved learning about how money worked. At just 11 years old, Buffett made his first investment. He bought shares of Cities Service preferred stock. He purchased these shares for himself and his sister Doris. This early experience sparked his lifelong passion for the world of investing. It showed him that it's never too early to start learning about money and growing wealth. This experience laid the foundation for his future success. It was the beginning of an extraordinary journey. As a teenager, Buffett continued to explore his entrepreneurial spirit. He had a strong work ethic and was always looking for ways to earn money. He delivered newspapers, sold chewing gum, and even started his own businesses. One of his most successful ventures was a pinball machine business. He partnered with a friend and placed machines in local businesses. They shared the profits, giving Buffett valuable experience in managing a business and understanding cash flow. These early experiences taught him valuable lessons about hard work, customer service, and managing money. They instilled in him the importance of persistence and taking calculated risks. These qualities would prove essential to his later success in the world of finance. After graduating high school, Buffett attended the University of Nebraska. He later went on to earn a master's degree in economics from Columbia Business School. It was at Columbia that he met Benjamin Graham, a renowned investor who would become his mentor. Graham's value investing philosophy deeply influenced Buffett. This approach emphasizes investing in undervalued companies with strong fundamentals. Buffett embraced this philosophy, which formed the bedrock of his own investment strategy. He learned to analyze businesses, assess their intrinsic value, and invest for the long term. These principles, combined with his own sharp mind and disciplined approach, would guide him throughout his career. Section 5. Berkshire Hathaway, the making of an empire. In 1965, Buffett took control of Berkshire Hathaway, a struggling textile company. He recognized its potential and gradually shifted its focus from textiles to insurance and other investments. This strategic move marked a turning point in his career. Under Buffett's leadership, Berkshire Hathaway acquired a diverse portfolio of businesses. These included companies like Geico Insurance, Coca-Cola, and American Express. He transformed Berkshire Hathaway from a failing textile company into a multinational conglomerate. His ability to identify undervalued companies with strong growth potential became legendary. He focused on businesses with a durable competitive advantage, a strategy that would yield extraordinary returns over the long term. Section 6. The power of patience and long-term vision. Buffett's investment approach is characterized by patience and a long-term perspective. He doesn't chase short-term gains or follow market trends. Instead, he focuses on finding undervalued companies with solid fundamentals. He believes in holding investments for the long haul, allowing compounding to work its magic. This philosophy has been key to his success, generating substantial wealth for himself and his investors. His ability to remain calm and rational during market fluctuations has earned him the admiration of investors worldwide. He teaches us that true success in investing comes from discipline, patience, and a deep understanding of the businesses we invest in. Section 7. A legacy of giving, the philanthropic side of success. Beyond his financial achievements, Buffett is known for his extraordinary generosity. He has pledged to give away the majority of his wealth to philanthropic causes. He believes in using his fortune to make a positive impact on the world. His commitment to philanthropy has inspired countless others to give back to their communities. He demonstrates that true success is not just about accumulating wealth, but also about making a difference in the lives of others. He has supported various causes including education, healthcare, and poverty alleviation. His philanthropic endeavors reflect his deep-seated belief in the importance of social responsibility and giving back to society. Section 8. The Oracle's Court Annual Gatherings of Value Investors. Every year, thousands of investors from around the globe flock to Omaha for Berkshire Hathaway's annual shareholder meeting. This pilgrimage is not just a routine event, it is a significant occasion that brings together a diverse group of individuals who share a common interest in value investing. This event, often referred to as Woodstock for capitalists, is a celebration of value investing and a chance to hear from Buffett himself. The atmosphere is electric, filled with anticipation and excitement, as attendees look forward to gaining wisdom from the legendary investor. During these meetings, Buffett and his business partner Charlie Munger answer shareholder questions on a wide range of topics. Their candid and insightful responses provide a rare glimpse into their thought processes and decision-making strategies. They share their insights on investing, business, and life, providing valuable lessons to investors of all levels. Whether you are a seasoned professional or a novice investor, the knowledge imparted by Buffett and Munger is invaluable. These gatherings are a testament to Buffett's enduring influence and the respect he commands in the financial world. His ability to attract such a large and dedicated following speaks volumes about his impact and legacy. They offer a unique opportunity to learn from one of the greatest investors of all time and gain insights into his investment philosophy. Attendees leave with a deeper understanding of value investing principles and a renewed sense of inspiration to apply these lessons in their own investment journeys. Section 9. Living a Life of Purpose, Simplicity and Integrity. Despite his immense wealth, Warren Buffett lives a remarkably simple life. He resides in the same modest house he purchased in 1958 and enjoys simple pleasures like reading and spending time with loved ones. He is known for his humility, integrity, and down-to-earth demeanor. He values honesty and transparency in both his personal and professional life. This commitment to ethical behavior has earned him the trust and admiration of people around the world. His lifestyle is a refreshing contrast to the extravagance often associated with wealth and success. He reminds us that true happiness and fulfillment come from pursuing our passions, living with integrity, and making a positive contribution to the world. Section 10. Timeless Wisdom. Key takeaways from Buffett's journey. Warren Buffett's journey offers numerous valuable lessons for investors and individuals alike. His approach to investing in life provides a blueprint for achieving both financial success and personal fulfillment. He teaches us the importance of patience, discipline, and long-term thinking. Buffett's strategy of holding investments for the long haul rather than seeking quick profits has proven to be a cornerstone of his success. He emphasizes the significance of investing in what we understand and focusing on businesses with a durable competitive advantage. This means looking for companies with strong fundamentals and a clear path to sustained profitability. He also highlights the power of compounding and the importance of aligning our investments with our values. Compounding allows our investments to grow exponentially over time, while values-based investing ensures that our financial choices reflect our personal beliefs and ethics. His life and career demonstrate that success is not just about financial gain, but also about living with integrity, giving back to others, and making a positive impact on the world. Buffett's philanthropic efforts show that true wealth includes the ability to improve the lives of others. His story inspires us to pursue our passions, never stop learning, and strive to make a difference in the world. Buffett's commitment to continuous education and self-improvement is a reminder that growth and learning are lifelong endeavors. By embracing these principles, we can all learn from the wisdom of the Oracle of Omaha and chart our own paths to success and fulfillment. Whether we are seasoned investors or just starting out, Buffett's timeless wisdom offers guidance and inspiration for achieving our financial and personal goals. Section 11. Conclusion. The enduring legacy of a financial icon. Warren Buffett's name is synonymous with financial wisdom and success. Warren Buffett's legacy extends far beyond his financial achievements. His influence permeates the very fabric of modern investing. He is a role model for investors, entrepreneurs, and philanthropists alike. His principles have guided countless individuals and institutions. His unwavering commitment to value investing, his long-term perspective, and his dedication to ethical behavior have earned him a place among the most respected figures in the world. His strategies have stood the test of time, proving their worth in both bull and bear markets. His story teaches us that success is not merely about accumulating wealth, but about living a life of purpose, integrity, and generosity. Buffett's philanthropic efforts, particularly through the Giving Pledge, highlight his commitment to making the world a better place. As we navigate the complexities of investing in life, we can all draw inspiration from the wisdom and enduring legacy of the Oracle of Omaha. His teachings remind us to stay grounded and focused on long-term goals. It takes 20 years to build a reputation and 5 minutes to ruin it. This profound insight underscores the importance of maintaining integrity in all our endeavors. If you think about that, you'll do things differently. Warren Buffett's words continue to resonate, encouraging us to act with thoughtfulness and care in every decision we make.